Hi guys, I'm already in my hotel, in my room, and I'm going to show you what I have here. So let's start. So here is my small room. Here is a bathroom. Let's have a look. A shower. I a little bit got sunburned. So hair dryer, a small mirror for makeup, I guess, toilet, towels, what else? I have some things, my bed, telephone, curtains. I have 4 windows. Here, a TV. What I also have here? I may order laundry or pressing services, and also I may have some drinks or eat something. I may order it like as a room service. So probably now we are going to eat something. I don't know where else. Here is my passport, a cup, a glass, a kettle. Here is my bag. I don't know. It's not my hair. Please clean up a room. Please do not disturb. Okay. And let's turn off the light and see the view from my window. So the first one. Oh, somebody is celebrating something. I don't know what is happening, guys. So, this town is like maybe considered as a criminal town. So I don't know what is happening here. And here it is. Here is the church, the cathedral. It is 10 o'clock in the evening. So that's it. I know that somewhere there, when I was is wedding, in the restaurant of my hotel right now is wedding. Let's turn on the light. So when I was talking about the criminal town, I mean that here are 2 prisons in this small town, prisons for murders. And in this town live 100,000 people. So for 100,000 people, here are 2 prisons. It means that the criminal rate in this town is rather high. So that's it. Now I'm going to think about ordering some probably food, I don't know. And I need to go to the shower, and I'm not like the risky one to go out because it is also not safe here to go out in the night. So I'm going to stay in the hotel. So that's it. Actually, I haven't found the number of room service. So I think that it's a really nice idea to go to the restaurant. I think it is still opened, so let's go. So I have ordered everything and now they will deliver my food straight to my room. So I'm going home. So I have my meals. It is bread. It is national Russian and Ukrainian cuisine, sырники, and a soup. So I'm going to eat. And also I ordered tea, so they also going to serve me tea. So bon appetit to me. Actually, I have taken the tripod with me, but I really want to eat, so I'm not going to find it right now. And actually, I don't like the food. I don't like the soup with noodles, and I don't like sырники also, despite the fact that I'm really fond of them. I don't quite like them, but I eat them because only because I want to eat. So the only thing I like is tea, black tea, and bread. But actually, I understand that probably it's okay for such a small town, because it's not Moscow, it's not St. Petersburg, so it's okay.